99% of iPad users don't know these tips and tricks. Yes, you heard me, and it's quite surprising though. So I was watching a video on YouTube, and this big YouTuber was discussing some useful iPad tips and tricks, and to my surprise, mentioned the shortcut app settings, stating it is the only way to go to an app settings on iPad. I was surprised to hear that from a big tech YouTuber, and even the audience or the comments made me to realize that many iPad users don't know that they don't necessarily need the shortcut app settings to go straight to an app settings on their iPad. The shortcut app settings is so good, but for iPhone users and not for iPad users. Now let me show you how to go to an app settings window on an iPad without the shortcut app settings. First, open the settings app on your iPad and scroll down to multitasking and gestures. Tap to open. Make sure to select windowed apps, or maybe you can go for Stage Manager. Any of the two, you're good to go. Open any app on your iPad, let's say the Safari browser. Here's the main part. To go to the Safari browser settings window, simply pull down a little bit from the top center of your screen and you will see options. Look closely and tap on Safari. You will see Safari settings right here. Go ahead and tap on that very option. It will take you straight to the Safari browser settings. Let me give you another example using the Reddit app. If you're using the Reddit app on your iPad, pull down a little bit from the top center of your screen and you will see options. Tap on Reddit and it will show more options including Reddit settings. Tap on the Reddit settings and it will take you straight to the Reddit settings window. The truth is, this applies to any application on your iPad, except for games. The shortcut app settings works during gameplay, especially if you have it on the control center. Now you have seen the reason why I said that you don't need the shortcut app settings, and this method is way better and faster compared to the shortcut app settings, though some might argue that the shortcut app settings is a one-click touch like this. Well, for me, the shortcut app settings is best suited for iPhones and not necessarily for iPad because of the windowed or stage manager features, which is not available on iPhone. So, what do you think? Which one is the best? The default app settings or the shortcut app settings? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.